How to unsuspend your ex account without an appeal. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. In the Chrome, search help.x.com. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You will be logged into your account. So, scroll down in here and you will find managing your account. Below that, click on about suspended accounts. You'll find different options to unsuspend. What you need to do is click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines, at the bottom you will find sign out option. Click on sign out. You'll find this kind of screen. Now, simply add your phone, email, or username, or sign in with Apple or Google. I'm simply going to click on sign in with Google and your account will be opened. This is how to unsuspend your ex account without an appeal. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.